Got it here, Pac-Ax folding hatchet. Continue series of my hatchet and axe collection that is pretty unique like that. So this one is perfect for camping. These things sell for about $100 to like $300. It all depends of the quality. So you push on that button and fold it. But you know what's crazy? I have not seen one for sale in a while because they're highly desirable. People are learning about them. They don't make them anymore, so they vintage now that people learn about them. There's more videos about them on the internet. Looks like it says Taiwan, so everybody wants a get one piece or two. So there's a black one, silver one, and you know what, sometimes some people want one of each, so it's getting really impossible to find one. I seen some of them are for sale for new. They sell for like over $300 easily. But yeah, very cool Pac-Ax. I love how they spell it, Pac-Ax. So the way to do it is like push on this button, fold it down, and then just close that. Same thing unpacking it, just one more time, boom. Very simple. I love that ingenuity, beautiful. The reason why I really like it, it's like in my collection because it's one of a kind design. I love that kind of stuff.